Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Porsche Cayenne and this car have a problem. Customer complained fuel leak inside the car. Fuel smell came, he told me. So today I will show you why this fuel smell came inside the car. Okay, you can see here rear seat remove, and then here this fuel pump. We remove this cover and open everything here, and then what we got fault, you can see here inside fuel leaking. See here, that's why car inside fuel smell came, and that's the problem. See, there is small leak. Okay, thank you.